Imagine we were giant-sized movie monsters!
Great job, everyone! This is going to be the coolest movie ever! Now, do you have any questions about your scripts?
How am I going to breathe atomic fire?
Oh, you can't breathe atomic fire?
How about party streamers? Those kind of look like fire.
I'm a big fan of that idea. And we can use a big fan, too.
And action!
Rafa, your turn.
Pinky, it says I fly here. I'm pretty sure I can't fly.
Sure.
Nope. How about we attach the camera to me and attach me to a drone?
And action!
Yeah!
Cut! All we need is one more shot. Fizz, are you ready?
Where's Fizz?
Just getting dressed and ready to show off my, sea monster water jets?
In a world where the town is tiny, the monsters are a little bigger, and there's giant action. Monster Mania!
Check out my atomic breath!
I'm flying and I'm a monster! I'm some kind of flying monster!
I'm gonna make a splash!
Monster Mania! See it in theaters if we ever finish it.
Oh, that was lights, cameras, fun! I wonder what we'll do next. Imagine a glowing forest. Who turned out the lights?
I don't know. But Scarlet said this was a glowing forest.
How can we camp in the dark?
Very carefully. What was that?
They're fireflies, and they glow when they laugh.
Quick! Someone tell a joke!
What did one toilet say to the other? Oh, you look a bit flushed. A good laugh can light up any room or forest. Whoa! Now the forest is bright like neon.
We gotta keep them laughing if we want to set up camp. Like this. Bleep, blop, blorp. I am a robot.
Hop, hop. Oh no! I forgot my sleeping bag. I think we need a bunk bed.
How about a bunk bed? Pillow fort extravaganza!
Oh no, now it's too bright. How are we going to get to sleep?
Maybe if we can calm down the fireflies, they'll turn out for the night, too.
Great idea. Let's all take a nice deep breath.
I love a good deep breath.
Oh no! We'll never fall asleep with a case of the giggles.
Can we please stay up longer telling jokes with our new friends?
Okay, just a little longer.
Wow, that was a great camp out. Time fireflies when you're having fun.
Imagine building the coolest park ever!
Whoa! Watch out! I loved it! Let's go again!
This is the coolest playground I've ever seen!
Nothing could ruin this day.
Whoa! Hi, Cloud!
Oh, hello. I'm Cloudy. Looks like you're having a great time down there. Don't worry, I'll be on my way so I don't rain on your fun.
I think Cloudy feels left out.
Rain or shine, let's make the steak rain. Let's mix our colors together and imagine what we can do.
A water slide! Imagine if we turned the park into a water park.
What do we need to make our dry park a wet park?
Just add water. We need your help, Cloudy.
Who, me?
We want to turn this park into a water park.
Yeah, when we tell you, bring on the rain!
Rainy day water park. That's great!
What about a slip and slide?
And we can land in a playground splash zone.
Okay, Cloudy, are you ready?
Here we flow!
Woohoo! Yeah!
You made this rain cloud feel very sunny today. Thank you.
What a fun day! I wonder what's in the forecast for our next adventure. Imagine creating the best ice cream flavor ever!
I told you it was the tallest mountain in the Colorverse.
Howdy! Welcome to Bettie Yeti's Ice Cream Emporium. I'm Bettie Yeti.
Thanks for inviting us.
Can we please try a scoop of your best ice cream?
Sit back, relax, and I'll scoop you the best flavor ever.
Excuse me, Betty. What flavor is this?
It's yak drool. In my honest opinion, the best ice cream flavor.
What other flavors do you have?
I don't have any other flavors. I thought everyone loved yak drool.
What's the best ice cream flavor?
I like sweet flavors with a kick. Spicy mango ice cream's the best! Ooh, spicy! How I like it!
Ooh, can I try some? Too spicy. Well, I like my sweet treats colorful. How about rainbow sherbet? This is spectacular! I look great!
Let me try! I thought I'd never say this, but too colorful.
I don't think we'll ever agree on the best flavor.
We all like different things. Imagine if we made a flavor-changing ice cream that could be everyone's favorite.
Yeah! Ice cream that tastes the best to you, any flavor you imagine. No wonder we couldn't agree on the best flavor. We all had different favorites.
Hey, I still think yak drool's the best, but now everyone is happy.
Wow, what a tasty adventure! I wonder where we'll go next.
Imagine a castle made of cake. This place looks cozy!
And delicious!
It's not for eating, even though that dragon seems to think it is.
Oh no! The dragon ate your roof!
We need some bright ideas to fix the castle.
How about a frosting fire truck?
And a sprinkle cannon!
Those were bright ideas.
Thanks for decorating my birthday cake. I'm turning 312 years old.
Happy birthday! There's just one problem. This is her castle, not your cake.
Oh no!
What if we made a special birthday cake? Just for you. What kind of cake do you want?
Well, I love chocolate.
Me too. More chocolate, the better.
Perfect. And I love a whipped frosting.
What if it's cloudy with frosting?
It's missing one thing.
Every birthday cake needs
A candle!
Happy birthday, dragon! Blow out the candle and make a wish.
I think I'll need some help.
That was a sweet adventure! I wonder what we'll try next.
Imagine if we made music underwater.
This is fantastic! I can't wait to hear some underwater tunes.
DJ Mermaid is the best musician in all 7 seas.
What was that?
I think it's coming from back there. DJ Mermaid!
What's going on?
My DJ booth is going haywire. See? And the show's about to start.
Without her DJ booth, there won't be any music, and the concert will be canceled!
But I made us all matching shirts.
We need to help her.
Yeah! Imagine if we could find new ways to make music for her.
Maybe we should use our imaginations to make instruments, like a choral xylophone.
My turn! How about we create something out of bubbles?
That's great, Pinky! How about a shell-sational set of drums?
It's missing one more thing.
The show is starting. Whoa, sweet jam. I got it. I know exactly what to do to save this concert. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Can you sign our shirts?
Whoa! Good job! We did it! That was so much fun. I wonder what music we can make next.
Moo! Imagine a planet made of slime. Whoa! So much slime! Whoa!
Cool! Glittery slime like fizz! It must change when we touch it.
Juby, where are you?
Hello there. We're the Crayola crew. Who's Juby?
Juby's my lost pup, and my name's Crater.
Is Juby neon pink?
That's Juby! Let's go!
Oh no! How are we gonna get to Juby? The floor is lava!
Remember when Fizz got stuck in the slime and it became glittery? I wonder if...
Wow, that's thinking outside the thought bubble.
I seem to have caused a reaction.
Wow, metallic like you.
I have an idea! You know what sticks to metal? Magnets!
time to go home. He's having too much fun. I don't think he wants to leave.
Okay, 5 more minutes, Juby.
He's having the slime of his life.
Slime-tastic! Let's join him! That was out of this world.
I wonder where we'll land next.
Imagine we could fly through space!
Whoa!
Welcome to the deck of the Comet Crayon, a spaceship out of your imagination.
Everyone strap in. We're about to launch into deep space.
In 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Wow, this is incredible!
That doesn't sound right.
We should land to make sure the ship's okay.
Oh, maybe we can imagine a planet to land on.
A whole planet? That would take
All our imaginations!
The ship is broken.
How are we going to get home?
We need to find a way to get the spaceship flying again.
Whoa, giant butterflies! I wish we could fly like that.
Yeah! Why don't we add wings to the spaceship?
Those leaves kind of look like wings. Maybe those will work.
Wow, that's a great idea. But I'm not entirely certain leaves will work in deep space.
There's gotta be a way. We saw an alien butterfly in the forest. Maybe we should just turn them into butterfly wings.
That gets us flying, but even butterfly wings won't be strong enough.
Lloyd, what about you? You can make them?
Metallic! Now they won't fall apart.
Whoa, it's out of this world!
Now let's get out of this world! Space might be the final frontier, but where will we go next?